Blue stains on your fixtures and metal drain parts falling apart. That usually means something's up with your water quality, and yeah, it can get kinda sketchy if you don't sort it out. So, first off, you gotta figure out what's causing that blue tint. It's often from copper leaching into the water, especially if your pipes are copper, like yours. The water might be slightly acidic or have a low pH, which can eat away at copper pipes and cause that blue-green staining. Check the pH level of your water. Ideally, it should be between 6.5 and 8.5. If it's lower, that acidity is probably the culprit. You can get a simple water test kit or ask your local water department to provide detailed results. They usually test frequently and can give you exact numbers. Since you have a whole house filtration system, make sure it's still working well because filters lose effectiveness over time, especially after a decade or so. Also, tankless water heaters can sometimes affect water chemistry, so it's worth checking if yours is causing any changes. If you find the water is acidic or has high levels of dissolved solids, adding a neutralizer or corrosion inhibitor might fix the issue. And don't ignore it. Long-term exposure to copper in drinking water can cause stomach issues or other health problems, so keep an eye on your water quality. One of the biggest mistakes with blue water stains is ignoring the problem, thinking it's just cosmetic when it actually signals pipe corrosion. Another common issue is relying on an old filtration system without maintenance. Filters that old won't catch everything and can even make things worse by trapping minerals that corrode pipes. Lastly, not testing the water regularly is a huge mistake because water chemistry changes over time due to things like source changes or pipe aging. Fix these by scheduling regular water quality tests, upgrading or maintaining your filtration system properly, and considering installing a pH neutralizer or corrosion inhibitor to protect your pipes and health. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who need to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for their services, making home repairs and projects way easier to handle without all the stress.